Hello and welcome back to Olotita. Welcome back to Wholeness. I'm here today with Rachel, and we both hope you had such a wonderful holiday with your family. Today we're going to spend some time not only talking to you about this concept of vision boards, but making your very own vision board. 2022 is just days away, as well as a brand new moon on January 2nd. And so now is the time, if ever was the time, for you to take the time and make the time and spend the time to create your very own vision board. We have spent a little time on the channel already explaining what a vision board is, but we'll do a quick recap. It's sort of like a mind movie on paper. If you don't know what a mind movie is, it's putting your visions, your dreams, your thoughts, your goals, your aspirations on paper or in a movie. It's helping you to get into a creative space so you can start to get really clear, really intentional with what you want to create and manifest in your own life. They're just tools for you, and they're very powerful tools, and they're cathartic tools, and they're joyful tools. And we're going to show you today how easy it is to do this at home, probably even with the things you already have. But we're going to take you shopping with us too, so you can see how you can go to Michael's or your neighborhood craft store and pick up some very basic items to make this a really fun experience. We have a lot of great supplies because we've collected them through the years, and we always do this together. So that's another suggestion that we have, is try to get a buddy or a friend if you can, because you also can take advantage of some great discounts and sales at places like Michael's. So it always makes it more fun to do this with others. And if you can get a group together, great. If you can't, that's okay too. But make this a fun experience, because this is literally you telling the universe what you want 2022 to be, what you want to create, what you want to manifest. And it's a whole lot of fun. This is our 2022 vision board setup to show you a few ideas of things that you can do to make your vision board. We were really lucky. Michael's often has BOGOs on things. And so this year we picked an 18 by 24 inch frame, really nice looking wood frames. Guys, you can go as fancy or as simple as you wish. We're gonna get a cart. So we're gonna show you guys a couple different sizes of some vision board backings that you can use. We're also gonna show you some of the ones that we've made that are much bigger. But if this is your first time doing a vision board, you don't need to go gangbangers. You really don't. You can start pretty simple. And by pretty simple, something like 16 by 20 size, or even a 12 by 16 is a really good place to start. So you can go as big as you want. This is 24 by 36, and this is actually about the size of the ones we typically do when we do vision boards. And you can go with something like this, or you can get really nice wood frame backing. It's completely up to you, but these are pretty cost effective to give you a nice look. Kind of depends on the look you're going for. So typically when I'm doing a year or multi-year vision board, I get something very similar to this. And of course it's going to be a more expensive price tag, but really nice wood backing. And we usually take out the glass and then get some plywood from Home Depot. And these come in all kinds of sizes as well. So you have lots of options to choose from. And lastly, if you just want to start really simple, you can get a really nice poster board. I'm going to make sure it's thick. And I just want to mention, for my really artistic people out there, which are not people like me, if you can draw or paint, guys, think about making your vision board from your own art. Grabbing a couple canvases. It's another really cool idea for your 2022 vision board. Now, we just scored. BOGO. So I think we're going to get this one for our vision boards for 2022. Look how pretty. And these bad boys or $40. But when you BOGO with a friend, it's $20 a person. Yes. Such a great deal.
Really?
I think you're right. We're going to go with the black one.
Yeah.
So if you're thinking about doing a vision board, not only is it more fun to do it with a friend, it's more inspiring, it's more exciting, but it's also cheaper. So grab your BFF and make your 2022 vision boards with us. Yes, I found them. So these are other great options if you just want to kind of put a few pictures or images together and make something pretty quick and easy that's also super decorative. These are gorgeous. So these are options again, depends on your budget for your vision board, but you can get pre-made ideas, lots of them. So while these may be for pictures, we can use these bad boys to make our vision board. You can always start really easy with some basic cardboard to put on as a backing for your vision board, or you can choose to paint the backing of your vision board and then add your images. Okay, I do love this aisle. This is like Scrapbooker's delight of all the different kinds of paper. And you can come here and get some really good ideas for some of the kind of artistic design you want to have or different textures that you want on your vision board. You can go nuts here and get all kinds of really exciting looking papers. Look at that, guys. It's all sparkly. Or again, you can just get ideas here. You don't have to spend all your money here. Get ideas and then maybe go online and see if you can find something that you can print off on your printer. Okay, this is an aisle that I really want to highlight because these little tiny clothespins can be used in so many fun ways, either making your pictures or graphics on your vision board stand out, or being able to add little trinkets that either you found along the way or that you have found at Michael's. So think about these little additions to your vision board kit, and they come in all kinds of colors. They're really fun. All right, we can't leave out the stickers because if you are a sticker person, it seems that Michael's hopefully has what you need. We want to manifest Italy, right? I'd like to go back to France. Definitely Turkey, although I don't see Turkey. Oh my gosh, Kaden would love fly fishing. You see Turkey? Let's grab it. We're grabbing our turkey stickers.
There we go.
Oh, yes, we are. Okay, I have really fallen in love with stamps through the years, and Michael's actually has a decent selection of stamps. A couple of cute little sayings. And these are fun, completely reusable.
You have the whole
Oh, that's really
alphabet.
fun.
Yeah, this would be fun.
And I imagine they have stamp books here. So don't overlook these as well. Take your time going through Michael's or Hobby Lobby, wherever you're shopping for your vision board supplies. So I think we're done here for today. We're about to check out. But remember, we have a lot of this stuff at home already, and we're going to show you these really cool scissors with all kinds of cool designs and other stencils and pencils and markers and you name it. So grab everything you can from whatever supply chest you have of things that you've used in the past creatively to make, well, I guess anything, but especially kind of scrapbooky supplies. Not only is it more fun to do this with friends, but we really do save money, don't we, Rachel? So this year we picked out these frames from Michael's, and they usually do have a nice BOGO. So buy one, get one. We both got a nice frame for 2022. Really beautiful wood. But again, you can do this as simple or as fancy as you wish. And magazines. Ask your friends for magazines because every one of our magazines this year was gifted from friends that were getting rid of them. And Rachel specifically loves these shaped scissors. They're one of her absolute favorites. I am a lover of stickers myself, so I always add stickers or I make my own stickers. And we picked these out for our 2022 ideas and dreams for turkey. I also love to make things. So as you know, your Essential oil rollers come with your own affirmations. So if you have one, I have these on my vision board, I always do. But you can create some of your own really cool attachments or designs using all kinds of cool things, and you can put these on your vision board. So get creative, see what you have in your house. Of course, pencils and pens are a great way to go. And stamps are so much fun. Stencils are also great ideas, really fun to do. And if you don't want stencils, you can even buy pre-cuts of different shapes and designs of things. And you can buy beautiful papers as well. And that's another thing, is your paper for your backing. So in years past, I've used paper to completely put the back of my vision board, and that became my base, but I've also painted the back of my vision board. So you can think about using paints as well, even though we don't have them displayed for you. But I wanted to give you a few good ideas. I definitely utilize twine, string, things like that for sure, glue with some items. And then some items, especially if they're photos, you may want to just use sticker or tape. And then it is really nice if you have your own cutting board. For sure, if you have one, use it. If not, your trusty old scissors. But even down to if you have individual paper cutters, because you can do cool designs in some of your paper when you're making your vision board. So get fancy with it, have some fun with it. And last but not least, different kinds of cool markers. One thing that I spend a lot of time doing is getting online, Googling pictures of money or different affirmations or landscapes or vacation spots or anything and everything. So if you have a printer, nowadays especially, if there's stuff you don't find in magazines and you're like, but I really want a picture of someone getting massaged or whatever, then definitely use Google to your advantage. And if you have a printer and you can print it up, then you can have that set aside for yourself when you're going to be doing your vision board. We are about to get started with our 2022 vision board. I'll be honest, I'm not the kind of person that can get a vision board done in one day. And in fact, getting all of this together, forget filming for you, takes us days of time. And I like the process. I like the actual application of creating a vision board. What I mean by that is I really like the art of having to get together all of these tools and then setting aside time to be creative. And then it becomes even more joyful to spend this time with yourself, getting very clear and very intentional about how you plan to spend and create your life in 2022. We have had so much fun spending a little time with you to show you how to create your very own vision board. I hope that you have fun with this. Make this your own. It's a wonderful exercise, not only in self-exploration and positivity and mindset training, it really helps you to get more clear on the things that you want in your life. And I don't know, maybe you'll find that, like me, I find so much more inspiration and motivation to move into the year with real clarity about the things that I'm trying to do and create. Till next time, my friend, namaste.